Sa SPA ka nagpa-enroll ka? Mga buko man ang natira ha? Ano kayo nag-SPA man mo? Saya-saya ka mag-work na nila, oy. Kaya tayo apas din nito. Oo na. Ay, nawala na dyan ko. Ate, lang dyan ko.
My music box on the air. Where, who, what does this mean? Everyone who ever has or ever will be, anyone will be there. Never in the history of entertainment will there be an affair. One like it, the event of the century, the quintessential social adventure. We cannot afford to miss this night of bliss. The 31st annual Face of War presentation ceremony live via satellite in color. It's an 18-hour function with commercial interruption for the marvelous, glorious, live glamour. Anyone knows anyone? Everyone knows anyone knows. Everyone will be there.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Mrs. Mandarin. Welcome to your fourth year in high school. Since you're already in 10th grade, I expect you to be more responsible in your subjects, especially your major subjects. The subjects that would actually help you in your future endeavors. Make sure you know your priorities. That will be all for today. Goodbye.
Scenario about us. Isa-isa ho na to ang character sa istorya. Gusto nyo yung ganito title, no? Sige, ako na. Puminawa ko. Unang karakter. Kani-karilito. Si Auntie Marites na perminti dito pangubanon tabang di mo graduate ta. Kung sa gaya pulutan ng sayaw-sayaw, kanta-kanta, o pag-arte. Kawin sa kanak pinati maritis to, mga bright! Nya, ni anak pa siya. Wala yung guys sa inyo ang mag-arts-arts kay parang sa madako ang arts. Pero, parang na dyan sa basura nato. I don't think so, di ba? Oh, Leah Reynolds! Ang bukawain ng kanino, di ba? Sorry, fine, pero taken akong kasing-kasing with Leah. Siyempre, ang ikaduha, si May. Mapalayo ka ba ta?
Si May na grabe ang concern when it comes to ACADS. Someone who believes that art isn't really that relevant to the welfare and future of our students. I mean, I know that they're concerned, but they don't need to put a shade on it, di ba? But before we continue, bud, let's put it aside her first.
Paalala, ang lahat ng karakter, dialogo. Paalala, ang lahat ng karakter, dialogo, at mga pangyayari sa dulang ito ay puro katang-isip lang. Anak, dapat yung kabutanan mo ha. Mahal kabutang namin daw SPA diri na when our school is located sa Osaka probinsya. Layo sa syudad, tama o mali? We all thought na we're just a bunch of pushovers, na we can't excel. Tama mali?
To balance our ACADS and specializations, instead, it needs extra efforts in time guide. You need to learn some theories and perform outputs at the same time.
Pero we're not pushovers. Lolo.
What an experience! It just goes to show how art reflects culture. Anak ka atong teachers sa SPA, di ba kami na mo? We are not just students. We are artists. We are... Extraordinary! Ring, ring, ring! Kililing, kililing, kililing!
Who is it, Dad? Hi, Dad. Hi, son. I know I've been calling you lately, but don't remember our dream PBA slot. You can learn and relearn arts now. Art is just hobby. Bye na. I love you.
Tanong lagi mo kanang sa ko. Sige, next card na. Our parents.
Sweet, just brush it off. People just cares about you.
Wala mag-isip, pero mama is an artist. Pero wala pa rin gusto. I just wanted to. Pero yeah, ano naman natin doon? Typical Filipino boomer mindset.
You just need to prove yourself. Show him your skills. Let him have it. Saman,
Thanks, sweet.
sige, kamo na lang na sweet. Karon na kung kumagka-ako-akoy.
Gusto ka dahil kita na lang.
Wala ka nang ilidate na pita chuchay over my dead and alive George's body. Taas ako takot panahon, magulat ko sa akong future partner ay.
Hey girl! Ano ang gusto ko? Saan na lang, uy? Nag-crop top na sad ka? Kasi yung buhok na, oh my God, what is that? Hair.
Yes, hair!
Ito, ano na naman ay kung yung pabuti.
That's why! Dili na ko ni crop at kitang kaluluwa tapoy. Loves mang good ni. And I don't think it's wrong though. Argumentative, pero not violating. Meaning, it can be a subject of peaceful discussion that can lead to an argument. Ay wait, bato-bato sa langit, ang tamaan, huwag magalit. It can lead to a peaceful discussion that can lead to an agreement.
Diba?
with our help, we can improve other people's mindset towards others. Labi na sa mga bayot and other members sa LGBT communities. Di ba? Tama ba No na! Nabayot-bayot kasi sayaw-sayaw, kanta-kanta! Hoy!
Oh, kalma! Hindi okay, kalma! Kaya ka ba lang, Aday? Kay sila ang sunod ng character sa play na to, ang mga dili maarte, aka non-SBA students. Charit lang, charit!
Diyos ko, sa ilang adlaw na pag-iswila na ako, matag ka nag-grade 10 na lang na. Wala siya adlaw makita mga lubos na dito na natin ano. Sa baas ng mga SBA, uy, pilimunan, nila, uy. All we did is to perform well in classes. We participate, we do our task well, and we are competitive. Sa bagay ko eh, kung agtag ko ginawro ko. Ang bot ninyong doy, pero bitaw, kung pagtanaw nila sa ato ng pagdamnaw, oh sure, mga pagawad yung pagnaw ng mga performers man ta, diba? Diba? Nakapalak-lawak ko lang man. Don't you worry about the thing, oy. Sure, English! Everybody's got a thing, but some don't know how to handle it. We can hide away, take a peek now at I'm in. Don't you worry about a thing, mama, 'cause I'll be standing on the side and checking. Come on, let's finish the script now. Who's the last character? Dapat nakiyakiya ang mga zona ng steka. Ang iba ang mahadyo kung maulang. Siyempre, pakinong makasal sa tabaan sa klase, we tried and got accepted. Everything changed after 3 years due. Third class, kasi pulos imong programa. Kasi pulos imong ginabuhat na art. You're good at art, but when it's the curiosity of the audience. Challenges the norm and introduces an identity. Artists, you define me from okay, para. But it's important that
Na-realize yung damo karon no? Si Ate Maritas, si May, o katong PR to ng mga estudyante, all their comments are products of a stigma. Nawala na ng kwartang feeling, nawala na puro ng feeling. Mama,
Hoy, mali, hoy! Wala yung kwarta ang sinig at wala yung kwarta. Kung makita lang na nila ang value sa art, kapareho silang pagkakang-importansya sa basketball and beauty pageants. Kaghaan na tinutawag mga mas matikas na preserve ng Pilipinas. Diba?
and gentlemen, the cast of Maarte Ka Ba? First off, Alana Bermoy as Maxine. Edson Villamero as Nico. Lovely Salanzate as Mea. Jairus Maclao as Jairus. Kate Durval as Sam. Merlin Sinabdron as Chuchay. And Kurt Kidit as Pepay.
Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera.
Divine Vigorado as Divine. Janos Jimena as Yuki. Alanis Lanzaderas as Alanis. Ashley Espinosa as Ashley. Mariel Platt as Mariel. Jessica Berondo as Mrs. Van Light. And Venice Pagaran as Venice.
Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera.
Ladies and gentlemen, the special program Indians, choir and SPA music students. Three, two, one, up. Down. The SPA special program Indians, band students. The special program Indians, media arts students. Go, 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 Saka! Okay. The special program Indians, visual arts students. Visual arts, let's go! Visual arts, up, center, center. Up, up. And the special program videos, theater arts students. Grade 7 and grade 8. Up, up. Ladies and gentlemen, the backbone of the special program in the arts, the faculty, starting off with Sir Ace Fernando. Go,